Righto guys, welcome back. As you guys know, you've been asking us on the Instagram, what are we doing for income over here in Dubai? Well, Muzzy, what are we doing for income in Dubai, brother?
Well, we're doing TikTok shop affiliate. Now, pretty much all that consists of is getting products delivered to you, you test the products out, you create videos, viral content. All you gotta do is copy other creators, make your own little twist on it, and then upload it. And you can also do live streams, and the products that you sell, you make a commission on it. And yeah, pretty much that's all it is to it. You just want to get them viral videos and just do consistency with the live streams, and yeah, you can make a ton of money doing it.
And just remember, with this TikTok shop affiliate stuff, remember our mission is we have less than 100 days to make this work. Otherwise, we go broke. So if you want to stick around and support the Aussie bros and follow the journey, hit that red subscribe button, head over to our Instagram, chuck us a follow, and we'll see you guys for the journey.